Welcome back to part two. What we're going to do is give the bike a quick clean up. We're going to drain the forks, put some new seals in, rebuild the front brake master cylinder, and that'll probably do for this episode. So that's the bike cleaned up. Now we're going to get the forks off, drain them, put new seals in, new dust seals, and then put them back on, and then we will move on to the brake. So I bought some Slinky Glide, I think it is, seals, relatively cheap, just checking that they match up, and then we get to putting them on. Get some new fork oil ready, get that measured out, ready to pour in, and then we'll pump the fork and just bleed the damper, so it gets full of oil and no air. And then we'll put the cap back on and refit it. So that's one leg done, and then as you can see here, this is the other leg. Just giving it a clean, popping the seal off, and then getting the oil seal off, changing that, fill it with new oil, put it back on. It was actually a really easy job in this particular case. Right, now the front end's going back together, put the forks in, get the wheel back on, that hideous green, front brakes go back on, and then just give it a quick check to make sure it's not leaking at the seals, and we'll move on to the brakes. So got the master cylinder apart. Just going to put a brand new piston in, new seal. So just putting a socket on the top of the C-clip just to make sure it's in there level and straight. Got a brand new brake lever to put on. Yeah, the front master cylinder is nearly ready to go back on. Right, that's the brakes pretty much done on the front, ready to install. That's it for part 2. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much.